In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Add to Wishlist button in WordPress. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to hide or completely remove the Add to Wishlist button in WordPress, there are a few ways to do this. The most common one, and by far the easiest, is by managing plugins. So if you are using a dedicated wishlist plugin like YITH WooCommerce Wishlist, TI WooCommerce Wishlist, and so on, the easiest way will be to go over to the settings of that specific plugin. So if you go over to widgets, plugins, or anything among those lines, you will find that specific plugin settings. And under that specific plugin, you can disable the wishlist. So for example, show view wishlist links, show item counts, and so on. All that you have to do is remove it from here. So as you can see here for this particular plugin, YITH, they have show add to wishlist in loop under the wishlist category, and all that you have to do is set it to no. So once it is disabled, it will be gone completely. Alternatively, if you aren't using a plugin and it is showing up by default on your theme or something similar, then you will have to either use custom CSS or change the element in some way, for example, through HTML code. So this will be primarily done by going over to the customize options. So hover over appearance. If you see the customize option, then click it here. But if you don't, go to the editor, and instead of going to site-editor.php, go to customize.php. So change the URL. For example, wp-admin/customize.php. And then you will find the additional CSS options. Sadly, I don't have the upgraded plan, so I won't be able to demonstrate this on screen. I apologize. But if you do have the plan, you will be able to add a specific snippet of code. For example, if you are using YITH, it will be something like this. So it is going to select the Add to Wishlist button, and you can choose the option to remove it. You can set the display to none. So something like this, where you will find the display class or ID for that specific wishlist icon. And after it is selected with a dot, you can remove it by choosing the display to none. And then it will be gone from all pages. So choose whichever method you prefer according to your circumstances. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove Add to Wishlist button in WordPress. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.